I'm on the bow. We're looking out over the bow of the 2015 31-foot Formula Sunsport named Breathless. You can see we've got two opening deck hatches, and the windlass is actually up under that forward hatch, so there's no tow catchers on the foredeck at all. So it's a very safe foredeck to move around on. Just gonna step down, and you can see the molded in steps. Off on the port side, you can see we've got a companion seat. And as we move aft on the port side, we've got a wet bar underneath the forward hatch. There is a sink, and underneath the port one is a garbage. Lots of storage down below. And I'm going to walk you back to the muscle in this boat. This boat has the largest engines that were offered by Formula, which are the 8.2 liter mag engines. They are rated at 435 horse at the prop. There's a look at the port engine. And coming over and looking at the starboard engine. Boat just got new batteries put in her in the spring of 2018. And if I'm now looking down, obviously, at the cockpit floor, where there's a hatch which gives you access to the generator. So there you can see our Kohler generator with excellent access. And then panning back around, again, we've got U-shaped cockpit seating. And coming up to the helm, just a general overview of the helm and the double wide helm seat, which also has flip up seats, so you can stand to drive the boat, you can sit, or you can lean back against these seats. It's a great setup. So here's our shift and throttles. Moving forward, you can see the control for the Bennett trim tabs. Our joystick, which again is part of the MerCruiser Axius system. And this is where you can activate the SkyHook or your autopilot. And panning up, that's a MerCruiser SmartCraft vessel view, which gives you digital readouts for all of your engine diagnostics. And coming over, this is our chart plotter. See if I can take us to a chart. There we go. Unique feature, it actually has a counter for the windlass. In addition to the SmartCraft, you also have the analog gauges. Again, you can see the Raymarine. That's all a touchscreen unit for the Raymarine. Down here, we've got VHF radio, remote control for the stereo. She even has a gas fume detector over here. I'll run that engine hatch down and give you another look at that aft cockpit seating with the hatch down. So that seat obviously comes all the way around. Again, there's the molded steps that would get us out to the foredeck right here. And we'll take a look at the cabin. So she's got birchwood floor material. See, looking up to the forward berth. Forgot to mention, but there is a table for the cockpit, and that table will drop down, and there's sun pads as well. And of course, there's a table for the cabin area here. And then this makes into a large V-berth bed. Cabin area is in exceptionally good condition. So we talked about the generator. The boat also has, of course, shore power. It's 30 amp shore power. We've got air conditioning and heating. There's a flat screen TV, a Clarion high-end marine stereo. And coming around, here's our head compartment. You can see there's a shower wand over there, which would lift and clip up into that upper unit if you did need to shower. But again, remember there's a hot and cold transom shower as well. Okay. And panning back around, we've got a storage area down below. You can see the cushions that fill in the V-berth are stored there. And panning off to the port side, see the refrigerator. There's a microwave down below. Again, the boat does have hot and cold water. And then up above the refrigerator is where we have access to our main distribution panel for the shore power systems and the generator control. Okay, concludes the tour of the interior. So in conclusion, this is again a 2015 Formula 310 Sunsport. Pretty much every option that they offered. Boat's located in Surf City, North Carolina, which is just north of Wilmington. Priced right by her motivated seller at $179,900. If you have any questions, please call Mike at 910-620-9903. That number again is 910-620-9903. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video of Breathless.